Hey guys, today is day 27 and it has been a good day. I'm going to try to start like beginning to end the day. So I got up this morning and I had workout with Paul, and I know that I have already said 5 million times how much better I feel, but really I cannot express enough. I feel so much better. It's insane. Um, so I went and I just had more energy. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry that y'all always get my crazy dues. I just got out of the shower because we went to the water park today. And then look, do you see this big burn right here and this red here? I put sunblock on everywhere, but somehow I missed this big spot right here. Nice, huh? Um, I don't know how I always get distracted in my videos, but I do. Anyway, so today I worked out with Paul and it was good. I had a lot more energy. I did kind of have this weird thing where I got really hot. Like, felt like I was going to pass out. And I've never passed out before, so I can't really say like I'm an expert. This is what happens right before you pass out. But if I had to describe it and think of what it might feel like before you pass out, that's what I think it would feel like. I got like dizzy and saw stars. So I don't know what that was about because I really felt better and I had energy and all of that stuff. I just think it is hot in there when you're working out. Um, Food wise, I had a great day. I have noticed that I'm hungrier now that I'm eating more, which is weird. You would not think those two things go together. But I think my body was freaking out before and I just was not eating enough. And it's like the less you eat, the less hungry you feel. And so increasing a little bit. I feel like I eat all the time. All the time. I feel like people are going to be like, girl, if you eat anymore, you're not going to lose any weight. But it's not true. So I'll ignore them if they say it. Anyway, so I worked out and then, oh, this was really cool. So I woke up this morning, see this big grin, and I was like, everything feels all like sucked in, like it's happening. And so I jumped on the scale and I'm down 3 more pounds. So I'm really pumped about that. Look at that. You eat more healthy, good stuff. You eat more, you lose more weight. It's awesome. I love how that's working out because I like food too. So I'm excited about it. Anyway, so that puts me at like 9.5 pounds, and Wednesday will make 4 weeks. And I'm so super excited because I know by then I'll be down another half a pound. So I'll be down 10 pounds in 4 weeks, which is amazing. I'll take it. I'll take it, take it, take it. I went to the water park today, and even talking about this right now makes me want to cry in a good way. On my on my video admission video, what would that be? Interview video? Anyway, submission. There we go. And I homeschool. Does that scare y'all? That I can never remember words? Anyway, on my submission video, one of the things that I talked about is how important it is for me to have a good time with my kids. And, losing our son has made me really value every single moment that we have. And I was so mad at myself. I've been so mad at myself for allowing myself to get out of shape and to not feel good. So things like going to the water park are such a smackdown, but not today. Today I went and climbed 5 million stairs and rode 5 million slides, and I didn't get winded, and I had to carry the two-seater floats, or my float and Cohen's float, because he's just a tiny little thing. And I did it just from working out for 4 weeks, and I felt so much better. And so my biggest goal is to not waste one single moment, not even one single moment. I don't want to grow old and look back on my life and think, wow, if I would have just taken better care of myself, I could have enjoyed my family so much more. Ever. I never want to have that thought. And I want to do life with them and have adventure and be crazy and be fun and soak it in because it goes so fast. It just goes so fast, and I don't want to waste a second. So enough about that. I get emotional, but I feel like today at the water park was a gift, a little package wrapped up with a big bow on top from the Lord to me to say, look, you're making these changes and the gift of that is just these memories and this time with your kids. So anyway, it was really great, all that to say. And so I just want to encourage you again, if you're sitting on the couch watching these, just do something, do anything, and enjoy your life and don't let it pass you by. So I'm not. So today has been a great day. I felt better. I had a great workout. I have eaten great foods, taken care of myself today, and enjoyed my family and my time with my kids today. And so I'm grabbing life by the horns and holding on for dear life. And so anyway, it's been a really good day, and I'm 4 weeks in. I can't wait until I'm 4 months in and 4 years in, and it just gets better and better. So I've talked a lot tonight, and I'm sorry I kept you so long, but thanks for tuning in and thanks for supporting me. I really appreciate you guys, and I know I say it all the time, but I'm so grateful for your support, and so grateful for Transform You Fitness and Shayla and Paul for helping me change my life. And so I want to encourage you to do the same. Have a good night.